Fields lie still like a ghost last sight. Rich dirt turned dust under a shameful sky. Once the wealth flowed like a golden stream. Now it's credit cards and shattered dreams. Where did the harvest go? My blood, my seed, left to wither empty fields in greed. Bank owns the sunrise, we borrowed the night. Shame sows the poorest dirt inside. Granite walls cracked, now the ivy creeps slow. Stories of fortune, old echoes still throw. Silk once danced on a chandeliered floor. Now moths guard rags behind the pantry door. Where did the harvest go? My blood, my seed, left to wither empty fields in greed. Bank owns the sunrise, we borrowed the night. Shame sows the poorest dirt inside. I hear my grandpa's voice in a rusted plow. He says, boy, take the blame. What matters is now. But the soil doesn't hear a man's regret. It just grows quiet like unpaid debt. Empty barns, whispered dreams I won't confess. Answers hide deep in this quiet mess. The crows gather like mourners by the grave, mocking us trapped in this credit chain. Shame sows the poorest dirt inside.